Hello and welcome back to the garage, and today I'm up to start sandblasting all my parts down so they don't mount up. I'll just run through it. I've never seen this done before. This is when you top load, put your sand in that, takes it to airline. You've got to have it upright all the time for it to work right. This is a good one. This, as you'll probably see, is one of the best things. Basically, you just fill it back on. Like a very good. Hey up, I'm back. Welcome to the side of the garage. And now we're going to do a short video on the sandblasting jacket that I acquired. As you can see, there's the gloves. I'm trying to differentiate which one I should use. Whichever one I use, I've got to sell up. But I've just done this, trying out the guns. Just turned it up for you. See that? That's how it's cleaned it up. Got to get a bit more on it. I think it's good. It's promising. I did have a blasting pot, but again, it was too that's trouble you got to have. Come on out. That's it. Come on out. There we go. Yeah, there we are. I'm just going inside. It's a bit dusty, don't want to use it. It's a nice thing. Yeah, I bought it off a guy coming to know an engineer in a factory, and he used to do it because you're into bike racing, and he used to clean old frames down, paint them. The easiest way is, he said, but the reason why he got rid of this is because he got a bigger, squarer one where you get a full bike frame in. Now when I go at cleaning the old sumper and the front cross member up with off a red. Now, I think it's going to be a mixture of both guns, blow them up and empty it. That'll give time for the compressor to catch up. So, I'll see you in a bit. I'll carry on this when I've got into the cross member. So, see you in a bit. Not long. Yeah, and this is the latest we're going to try. It's a bit of a bind, keep on taking the gun out of the cabinet and refilling it, and hopefully this will do the trick. And we'll get back later on it and see how it performs. Okay, see you in a bit. So here we are, this is the findings. I've got the Marksman blast gun off eBay. Searched around for a few ideas and found this. It's a good idea, best you'll ever get, and it gives good results. You'll see, I'll show you in a minute anyway. Basically what I've done, I've drilled an hole in each like that so they meet up, like that end. This bottom part, and that doesn't let it touch the bottom. So I'm holding it to Venturi, so it sucks it in at the top, and does a complete circle, comes round up the pipe, and it seems to work. Anyway, put it in like that. Did it already on in kiln dried sand, or plate sand if you want. I think it's doing a good job. I'll back in a minute and I'll show you. Not with no sound, but you'll see me cleaning down. You'll see how good it is. See you in a minute. Hello and welcome back. Now the last bits you've seen of the video, so I can safely say buy the Marksman one, so long as you do with the alterations and modifications, and it works brilliantly. The pressure range is 2.6 bar, which is 30 pounds square inch, up to 5.3 bar, which is 73 pounds a square inch. But simple mod like that, I mean, you can just drill the holes, scatter them, tape them together. As long as you've got that venturi going round, the air comes down the big tube, which is sucked by the gun. As it comes round, it picks the sand up and carries it, and it's very, very effective. So hopefully 3 minutes at that, and it's done that to the cross member. Hopefully half an hour, and I shall be giving it the old paint, the old primer, zinc primer, and then the old black satin. Look good in any car show. So the next time you see me, the next video, we shall be working back on red. Hopefully I'll have a few bits of the running gear painted, and just to keep up with things. They'll probably be hanging from ceiling in garage, hanging from roof, but just as good ornament as anything, I think. So anyway, that's it. So see you later.